Bitcoin, 101 Frequently Asked Questions Part 5, question numbers 41 to 50, www.learnbisel.com.
41. What do I need to start mining Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin secure? 43. Hasn't Bitcoin been hacked in the past? 44. Could users collude against Bitcoin? 45. Is Bitcoin vulnerable to quantum computing? 46. What are Bitcoins? 47. How can I get Bitcoins? 48. Does Bitcoin guarantee an influx of free money? 49. Is Bitcoin a get-rich-quick scheme? 50. Will I make money by installing the Bitcoin client?